Hello everyone, good morning. Today's date is 1st of December 2021 and our today's video topic is sorting techniques with the time and space complexity. So in this topic we will discuss what is complexity, then what are the techniques of the complexity used in data science and algorithm. Next I will explain what is sorting and what are the types of the sorting used in array. So first I will start with what is the complexity. So the complexity, it is nothing but it is a uh, it is a algorithm, it is a best concept in a data science and algorithm. So the complexity is nothing but it is the execution time required for execution of the every program is known as the complexity. So there are the two types of the complexities in data science and algorithm. First one is a time complexity, and second one is a space complexity. So the time complexity is nothing but it is a time required, or it is computational time required by uh, required to any computer to execute a program. So time complexity is dependent on various factors like the processor, compiler, and etc. So that is the time complexity. Next I will explain space complexity. So the space complexity is nothing but the space, it is related to memory. The space complexity is nothing but it is a memory required or consumed by execution of the every program is known as the time complexity. So next I will explain what is a sorting. So the sorting is nothing but it is a process of arranging the element of the array in certain order, that is known as the sorting. So the sorting can be of ascending or descending type as per our requirement. So there are the various types of the sortings in Java. First one is a selection sort, then bubble sort, insertion sort, radix sort, bucket sort, and so on. So out of this, I will explain the insertion sort, bubble sort, and selection sort. First, I will start with the insertion sort. In insertion sort technique, we divide the array into two parts. First one is a sorted array, and second one is a unsorted array. So we select the one element from the unsorted array and compare it with the sorted array. If we found it is the larger, or it is the maximum value than the sorted array element, then we swap them, and if we not found, then we keep at as it is. The time complexity of the insertion sort is actually time complexity and space complexity are noted by the big O value. So the big O value for the time complexity of the insertion sort is O1, and the space complexity in wash condition is O(n) square, and in average condition it is O(n), and in base condition it is O(n). So next is a bubble sort. So the bubble sort is a very popular techniques of the sorting in the array. In bubble sort, we swap the adjacent element by comparing them. If this in that comparison, if we found the out of this one element is bigger, then we swap them, and this process is carrying on until our array gets sorted. So the time complexity value for the bubble sort is O(n) square, and space complexity in wash case it is a O(n) square, in average case it is O(n), and in best condition it is O(n). Then next is a selection sort. Same in selection sort, like insertion sort, we divide the array into two parts, that is the sorted array and unsorted array. So the first element of the array we consider it is a sorted, and on that basis, because if we compare the one element, so it is, there is no comparison possible, so we consider the first element as a sorted element, and then compare the adjacent element of that element with that sorted element, and if in comparison we found that element is bigger than adjacent element, then we swap them, otherwise we keep it as it is. So like that, this process continue until the array gets sorted. So the time complexity value for the selection sort is O(n), and space complexity value in worst condition it is a O(n) square, in best condition it is a O(n), and in average condition it is also O(n). So guys, that was all about the sorting techniques with the times and space complexity in Java. Thank you so much.